We live in diverse multicultural societies, and we've got to find the mechanisms so we can live together in peace, and when there are differences, we can resolve them without state persecution or without mob type of violence. And I think, if you know anything about other places in the world where there is state persecution, where there is mob violence against minorities, that's what we want to avoid, because a liberal democracy means that we're going to have maximal freedom for all our citizens so they can live together in peace and hopefully pursue common civic goals.